win tonight, okay, if you win tonight, what will you? Okay. Sorry. Okay, if you win tonight, what will you promote karbi tourism to the world, to the rest of the world?
Can you pardon the question?
Clarify a little bit.
If you win tonight, what will you promote karbi tourism to the rest of the world?
Can you pardon the question, sir? If I win today, I will promote our Caribbean culture to the world. It will be that in our Caribbean there is lots of tourist places like waterfalls, and also our Lotheng Beach is one of the famous architecture here. So I would love to promote the local bloggers because they are the one showing our culture and locality in the YouTube. So the rest people of the world can see. So if we support them, if we give views, then it will like if we went to somewhere which we don't know anything, then we will obviously search in YouTube. So that's the way people can know more about our culture and the tourism places. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
That's it. Thank you, Tirmina. Calling next, thought interaction round. Contestant 9, Junmili.
Before the judges comes up with a question, I would like to let the panelists know that whichever language you are comfortable in, you can answer it. Like I said, whichever language you are comfortable. It's not, there is no any sort of pressure. And also, if you doesn't understand the question or you are not being able to follow the question, then we are here to help you. And also, there are our local judges; they will translate the question. Okay, thank you.
Hello, Junmili, contestant number 9. Congratulations on making it to the top 5. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling great. Thank you.
Wonderful. So my final question to you is, how will you convince the world that once in a lifetime you should visit Karbi Anglong? I'll repeat the question. How will you convince the world that once in a lifetime you should visit Karbi Anglong?
Thank you for your question, ma'am. I would like to answer in Thai. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Kili Karbiang Longalo. Kilang Mason, our Muduo, Laben Adim Taduo. Kili Karbiang Long, Killer Sitten, Kilang Mason. Non Son, Not Hengi Domain, Kilang Meo. Kili Karbiang Long Long Si, Long Chotsi. Laben Karbiang Long Long Hello. Picnic Place Mati, Julia Thai ke online. Alapin Kichun stani Ili Karbi ang longke Kaprik Adish Mati
I think that's the
Thank you, Jimmy.
audience, you are making the finalists nervous again and you never see me. Just kidding. But just try to listen to them, okay? Relax a little bit.
Alam litum. Already nervous tambi. Top 5 long nalang litum kengkam nan Jordan tek malu malalam kali. Lasila puson a questions non ilitum judges atum karjU alam. Ilitum abangke kopenega pana hangdun pajong paja polotante ansute a hero pelang litum by claim to love. Lasi ning bang pathedu na sampai la question round long bangke. Alang litum ke thak nang ji dokok ma jiti. Puluti alang litum ke thak a hodi litum bang Rong idun hur polotang te kupis nang athak mal tum karjU text that for but judges are tum same karjU text that for karjU text la bote komani ke thak me sena phalno ne ke thak me da phanne kang bai pon chini ke that poti la sile tum la bang ke ning sibi pon ipamelo na atheke la bang so beauty pageant ka chepate ke ning bai lo tangi group la bang so platform pe Ili tum bineng bi kumani nut aning sopi phan ing wai pe me pen ili tu alang litum archi ke me pen chap kali alang litum karbi anglong along ria phan kapat thang hekji la puson alang li clear kon hek nang ji pa on adu me pen ing wai pon pen si ili tum ang song atheke song kapre ka platform no itum toy dun ji phan si Labang so beauty pageant ikibia ponsi ilitum kadong kami tamin ing chibi pon ing hornang de mo ke haya hut an so sisar lang bom tadu deha la sinona bangke contestant number 13 Rup Talon aphan si jahang pon ito may we have contestant number 13 Rup Talon
Hello, ma'am. Hi. Congratulations. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, my question for you is, what one change you want to bring if you got a chance to be CM for one day? First of all, a very good evening to everyone present here. And thank you for the question, ma'am. If one day I will get a chance to discuss or to bring the one change to our place is that, according to me, I would like to say is that an educational system. An educational system in our society is still low. So for that, the one point or the particular point I would like to say is that an educational system. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much Rup Talon That's it for the panel of the judges on some question to Rup Talon I would like to request contestant number 14 Henry
First of all, and congratulations
So much.
And here's the question. You, as a contestant tonight, as the beauty, How will you describe the tourism of Karbi Anglong to us? I'll repeat the question again. You, as a contestant tonight, as a beauty, how will you describe the tourism of Karbi Anglong to us?
Thank you so much for your question. As we know, social media play a very important role in today's generation. Through social media, we can let them know that Karbi Anglong tourism has a very beautiful place like Kangchilang, So, Siloni, and not only that, it's also about our traditional attire. Thank you so much.
That's the answer from contestant number 14, Kungripi. I would like to call our next last finalist of top 5, contestant number 10, Caroline.
Hello, Caroline.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Don't get nervous.
Yes.
All right. The question is, we're talking about tourism and culture,
Yes, sir.
promoting our culture, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll be very specific about what is that culture among the Karbi tribe that you love the most, and you would like to let the world know about it. What is that culture you love the most, the Karbi culture? Like say humility, simplicity, something like that, which you love the most and you would like to promote it to the world.
Yes. Thank you for your questions. I would like to say that Karbi people help each other a lot, actually. And I believe every single out here can hear me tonight that you people should help each other a lot. The main thing about our Karbi people is that they're in a good heart and they understand each other. When you need help, they help each other in a very need time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Carolyn. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So with this, we come to the end of the questioning round of the top 5 contestants.